Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these Dreame Tech mop pads for the Dreame L10S robot vacuum cleaner and the Bluearks. These are the Blueark mop pads. These are a little bit thicker. Here's the ones, like I said, from Dreame Tech, the people that make the actual robot. And here's the ones that are actually on the robot. This is the Dreame Tech, or the Dreame L10S. I've been using it for a while. These are the ones that come with it. They're kind of so... Again, these are the ones from Dreame Tech. Yeah, a little bit pretty close to the same, but here's the ones from Blueark. These actually pretty much are a little bit closer to similar, but they are a little bit bigger, I've noticed. Not that that's a big deal, but they are a little bit bigger than the ones that come from Dreame Tech, but even the ones from Dreame Tech are just maybe just a little bit smaller, but not much. There, let's put the Bluearks one on here. We can see not as much fuzzy, where these are just a little bit more, see, a little more longer. But you can put it on there and it should do okay on the robot. So either one of them are gonna do okay. The Bluearks is just a little bit thicker and the Dreame Tech is a little bit thinner. And here's the one, the OEM, the one that comes on it. So if you wanna see the difference. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.